This is a tune that was done in 1920 by the great Mamie Smith. She had the first blues hit. Of course, there was blues before that, but she had the first blues hit called Crazy Blues. So this tune was recorded in that same session, but then later done by New Orleans' great blues singer, Blue Lou Barker. I like the blues ladies of the 20s, 30s, 40s, 50s, 60s, 70s. I heard Jim Jackson say to Mandy Green, "You're just the coolest gal I've ever seen. You made me walk around the park last night, and you didn't kiss me. Now do you think that's right?" Just then Miss Mandy turned around to him and said,
"Do me a favor, walk up there and toggle between fast forward and rewind."
"It's right here for you."
Keep toggling. Super smooth.